Hello, dear students, welcome back and very good afternoon to everyone. In the morning videos, we have seen what are pesticides, why are pesticides bad, how can pesticides affect us, and their general classification on the basis of mode of action. Now, we will discuss in detail the synthesis of pesticides and their uses. Let's let's we see the first pesticide synthesis, that is synthesis of DDT and their uses. We have already discussed in the brief history of pesticides DDT. DDT is a para dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. It is chemically named as 111 trichloro 2 bis 4-chloro-phenyl-ethane. DDT was firstly invented by Switzerland chemist whose name was Paul Muller in 1939, and DDT changed the history of the world in 1939 onwards. Now we will see the synthesis of DDT. DDT can be prepared by the condensation reaction between 2 moles of chlorobenzene and 1 mole of trichloroacetaldehyde, that is chloral, in presence of concentrated H2SO4 as a dehydrating agent to form the product is known as DDT, which are shown in this reaction. Dear students, you can see the reaction carefully. Make a practice 1 or 2 times and you can easily remember the reactions of DDT. Now, what are the uses of DDT? DDT is commonly used as insecticides. You know the meaning of insecticides? Insect means living organism. Sides means kill. Means to kill the all type of insecticides which are found in the farmer's field or anywhere around us or in the house also. It also mostly used the control of mosquito. It means automatically control the malaria disease. DDT also used to houseflies, spiders. It can also used as to control the mites. Mites means small microorganism, small insects which are came from arthropods family. DDT also used as to control aphids. Aphids means it's called the plant sucking insects, which is called in Marathi mawa, which are spread in the farmer's field of crops. It also control the leaf offers and mouth. Students, you can see the pictures on the slides carefully and you can easily remember and understand the synthesis and uses of DDT which are shown in these slides. Now, the another pesticide that is called BHC. BHC means benzene hexachloride. It is commonly called as 666 because it contains 6 carbon atom, 6 hydrogen atom, 6 chlorine atom which are present in the ring structure. and hence it is called 666. But the trade name in the market, which is very popular, that is called Gamaxine. And this BSC, which can be firstly prepared by the Michael Faraday in 1825 under photochemical reaction. Hence, we can prepare the benzene, we can prepare the BSC from benzene on chlorination under sunlight, that is called photochemical reaction or ultraviolet radiation, to form the product by chlorination reaction is called the BSC, which are shown in the reaction. Dear students, you can see the reaction and observe it and remember it. Now, what are the uses of BSC? BSC, which is also similar type of uses as DDT. It means it can be used as insecticides to control all type of insects. It also used as agricultural pest. It also control the bedbug. Nowadays, methoxychlore is commonly used in pharmaceutical treatment for the control the lice and scabies, which are shown in this slide as a pictures. And from this picture, you can very easily remember the BSC uses and synthesis. The third pesticides, that is called methoxychlore. It is chemically known as 1,1,1 trichloro 2,2-bis 4-methoxyphenylethane. You see the reaction which is similarity or similar to that of DDT. In DDT, we are using only chlorobenzene. Here, we are using anisole, that is methoxybenzene. Hence, it is also a condensation reaction between anisole, 2 moles of anisole, that is methoxybenzene, and 1 mole of trichloroacetaldehyde, that is chloral, in presence of dehydrating agent, that is concentrated sulfuric acid, to form the final product is called methoxychlore. Then what are the uses of methoxychlore, which is also similar to that of BSC? It is a insecticides. It also used to control household insects and nowadays mostly the vegetable crops. It is mostly used in milk dairies to have a packed milk available in the market at which not toxic effect on the milk, means milk can stored a few days or nearly to the 1 month as same condition. That's why it can be used in the milk dairies. This is the most useful pesticides which are used, but which are used to keep the milk proper condition in the milk dairies and which is easily available in the market. Now, the fourth synthesis of pesticides is 2,4-D. 2,4-D. 2,4-D is called 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Phenoxyacetic acid. It can be easily prepared by the condensation reaction between 2,4-dichlorophenol and chloroacetic acid. to form 2,4-D, which is shown in this reaction. Then what are the uses of 2,4-D? 2,4-D is mainly used as herbicides. Herbicides means to control the unwanted weeds which are available in the farmer's field of crops, and that due to increase of weeds, whatever the fertilizer and water is given to the crops, that will suck this fertilizer and the water, and the yield of crop become less. That's why it is easily control the weeds, and hence it is called as herbicides. So there are number of trade names which are available in the markets, that is called as Tiger Balm, Tiger 36 or Tiger 66. In this picture we have shown the farmer is farming its crop in the field, and two bottles of the pesticides which are shown, that is a 2,4-D in the picture. Dear students, you see the picture on the slides and remember it. Now the another pesticides which is called carbaryl. Carbaryl is chemically called as 1-naphthyl methyl carbamate, or commonly it is called as carbaryl. Carbaryl is firstly introduced in 1958 as a pesticides from the Union Carbide as a pesticides. It can be prepared by the condensation reaction between 1-naphthol and carbonyl dichloride in presence of strong base like sodium hydroxide to form an intermediate product is called chloroformate. So these chloroformate, which on amination by using methylamine to form the product, is known as carbaryl, or it is called carbaryl. That is a 1-naphthyl methyl carbonate. And uses of this carbaryl is also similar to that of BSC, then insect DDT, but nowadays this carbaryl is mostly used as an active ingredient in Carilirum shampoo, means which are shown in this slides as a yellow figure, that is a, in the shampoo, which are used to combat the head lice until infestation is eliminated. In lice means small microorganisms which are available in the heads. In Marathi, this is called as GOR source. I don't know exactly. It is called the lice. So this is the most useful pesticides which are used nowadays in the shampoo to have this thing. Now we have a last pesticides as your syllabus, that is called monocrotophos. Monocrotophos have number of names. It is called azodrine. It is also called neocron, or it also known as bilobarm, but commonly it is called or familiar is known as adrene, and chemically it is called as dimethyl 1-methyl 2-methyl carbamoyl vinyl phosphate, that is called monocrotophos. Monocrotophos can be prepared by the reaction between diketone molecule and methylamine to form methyl acetoacetamide as an intermediate product. So this intermediate product will treated with sulfonyl chloride SOCl2 to form methyl acetochloroacetamide, another intermediate, which on treated with trimethoxyphosphates TMP. Trimethyl methoxyphosphate is called TMP to form the product is known as monocrotophos, or it is commonly called as andrene, which are shown in this reaction. Then what are the uses of andrene? Mostly the andrene or monocrotophos used as a agricultural pest. The common crop like cotton crops, rice crops or sugarcane crops. In this picture we are shown the farmers, they are farming the andrene in their fields to control all type of pesticides. In frequently the andrene is also used as a tools for to common commit of suicides of human being also. So these are the major uses of monocrotophos. In this way, we have discussed synthesis and uses of pesticides from DDT to monocrotophos. Now, thank you very much.